What's up, y'all? It's another 24-hour trades. I woke up late as hell today. So, yeah. I feel like I'm like, I don't even know. I could still be dreaming right now. I don't even, like, it's like that. It's like that. Anyways. Yerp. But we are working. I already know what I need to do today, so that's what we got. You see? So wake me up, so hold up. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Oh, excuse me, jeez. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I... This is looking like a... This boy looking like a lick. This boy right here, he looking like a lick. That's my entry. That's my entry. Where we enter that 06. This boy, he looking like a lick. Reason for entry. Check me out. Okay, so we had rejection. I'm gonna show you real quick. So we have rejection. There's monthly. There's some like old 1 hour. Oh wait, no, that's a 1 hour I drew up. We had daily. So pretty much like we broke out like way far away. Anyways, and we just started rejecting like a bunch of different areas. This was like an old 4 hour I had drawn up here. You can see. So yeah, there was 2 weeks. Anyways, broke below, came back up, retest 2 wicks, and now price is dumping. I felt like it was important to leave this 4 hour up. Because that's where we had like the last taps on. You can see, you know, this area here. Anyways, but if I bust down back onto, because that was like the highest that it ever broke, the zone that we've been rejecting a bunch on the 4 hour time frame. Come back to the 1 minute, and yeah, we had like two wick slash like false breakout here. So looking real saucy. modify this order with a TP. 33406 would be 3339. No wait. Ooh. I might just smack our TP. Hold on. I might not even have time to modify this order. Yeah, I'm just modifying these stop loss ranges here because I don't want to get smacked out or pass my TP again and then not have the opportunity to close out. 3, 3, 4, 3. Still got about like 20 more points for our TP. We'll see if we can hit it or not. But we're literally so close to it. We're at right now about 611. I need to get some water. When I come back, if this ain't hit, I'm crying. Oh my gosh. Bro, I just want this to smack my order right now, bro. Look at that clear traffic, bro. No wonder. Go ahead. Keep dropping. Like you're right there. You can do it. I know you can. It's like Thomas the Train. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Oh. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God. Thank God. Let's go. Yeah. This is much better than yesterday. I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you right now. That is much better than yesterday. I don't even know what to say. So most people will be like, "Oh yeah, it's fake." Something I don't even know. What was my entry? 406. Yeah, I don't even know. It was saying I hit profit like kind of early though. That's the thing. Like, cause like, there must be like a little bit of like a price gap between the two. Cause this is saying price went down to 346, and on my other side, it says it went down to 348.68. So I don't know about that. Chief. But either way, I'm cooling. I don't even know like what the price difference is here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep like, I guess I'll stay on the chart, like analyze more, but I don't even want to take any more trades because I feel good about that trade that I was just taking. Yesterday was kind of a rough day, for me at least. Today is the 11th, so yesterday I took 1, 2, 3, 4. I took 3 or 4 trades yesterday, and only one was in profit. So it's a rough day. I lost a lot of points off my what I needed to get. Right now, so I made like this basically a what did I make for this challenge, because I don't know if I said it in one of my other videos, but I'm trying to get funded. So in order for me to, hold on real quick, I gotta pull out another tab for this so I don't lose this page. Holy shit, I need to clean it here. This guy. Dust and all. Oh wait, that's just the string. There is, anyways, to get funded, I need a total of 160 points total. So to get funded, and this is for round, or the first round, basically. To get funded, beat round 1, need to obtain 160 points. Right now, overall in this account, I've obtained a total of 80 points currently. And this isn't on the funded. This is on my own personal account. It's like old blown account, basically. which I've since brought back to life, which is great. But total I'm up like 80 points, because I use like a little higher. The reason I only have to obtain so many, like, so for some people that might not sound like a lot because they're like intraday or this, that, like my mentor caught like 470 points the other day, you know what I'm saying? So like for him, maybe it's not that much, you know what I'm saying? But for me, for like people that are like intraday or whatever, right, they're also like losing a lot of points too if they're hitting losses, because you got to think, like, if you're trying to go up 470, like you're probably risking more than I am, probably like 50 to 100 point stop loss type deal, whereas I only risk 30 points every time, and I only take profit at 50 every time. So I mean, I analyze to see if it's worth it or not for me to go take longer trades, like the 100 point swings and things like that, but I haven't found like an actual reason why I would want my trades to go out that long, because I think like after my entries that I take, like on the ones that are winners, I think about like 40 to 50% of the time they end up going to 100 points without tapping break even. But the thing is that if that's the case, and like let's say right now I'm trading like 60% or something like that. Well, if I'm trading at 60% and then the 50% of those 60 go to runner, then I would only be trading at like 30%, which could make sense, but I don't think like mentally I would be okay trading 30%. Like mentally, I would not feel okay. So that, I think that would affect my entries and stuff. So I rather just stick at, I feel way more comfortable in like that 60 to 70 point, or 60 to 70% win rate. I feel way more comfortable because it allows me to just like place more entries, like feel more comfortable with my entries, because I know that like 60 or 70% of the time I'm gonna be hitting take profit. Less losses feel better for me than to have huge wins. So wow, I might have to write that down. Interesting. Less losses feel better than huge wins. And that's yours truly, Sean Renfro, said that. So take that to the grave with you. But anyways, that's kind of like my thought process on it. But the reason I had to chain 160 points is because I adjust my lot size. Because here's the thing: people think you gotta catch like a buttload of points. Like, I see so many trading courses out there, so many different like teachers, stuff like that, where they're saying things like, oh, you gotta catch like I caught like 500 points in this swing, or I see trading coaches that are like, or just people in general that are like, I caught a 200 pips on freaking GJ or something like that. And it's like, that's cool, that's amazing, because it would be really hard for me to catch a move like that because I have no idea how to trade that. But if that's what you don't have to catch that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I guess like if you're trying to risk like small, and like let's say I want to do like a 30-point stop loss and reduce my lot size, but I wanted to take like 300 points. Well, you also got to realize like that's going to be like a super low probability unless your entries are sniper all the time, because you're aiming for 300. And think about that, the statistics on that, like how much easier would it be to hit your 30 points versus 300? That's 10 times size what you're looking to, or where you don't want to get stopped out at. So anyways, I just say like, You don't have to catch these huge swings. You can just risk more of your capital in like a smaller amount. But some people can't take a hit like that right away. Some people gotta let that play out over like a day or 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever. How many days you have to let that play out to make yourself feel comfortable with the loss. It's gonna be a loss either way. But that's the thing, is like, you have to decide like what's comfortable for you. It's the same reason why I don't want to extend out to 100 points, and why I don't feel comfortable winning 30% of the time so I can get bigger wins. It doesn't make me feel comfortable. It doesn't make me feel comfortable at all. Like I said, I'd rather have less losses than to have a bunch of smasher wins, so I can go into the group and be like, I got 100 points today, like all shit like that. Like, I don't care. I don't care about all that. I just want to win all the time. I want to be like, every day I'm like, I won. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I want to be. So anyways, I'm just saying, like, you can catch smaller move, just adjust your loss size. You could catch 10 points a day if you really want to. Risk like one point. I saw somebody on the top tier challenge. They were risking one point every day, or 1.4 points. I don't even know how they were doing that, but every day. And the thing was, they lost so many times, but on their wins they're taking like $200, $100, $200, all this stuff like that. And I'm like, dang, bro, like, that's crazy. But here's the thing, is like, you get to control like how much you want to risk. So excuse me. So the thing is, like, even if you wanted to take 10 points, just bump up your loss size. You could win as much as I am off 50, and I could win as much off 50 as someone's winning off 400 points. It's just all about like how you want to risk your capital, really. Because at the end of the day, it's like, I can make my 50 points worth 10,000, or I can make it worth $50. It's like up to you how you want it to look. Anyways, that's enough of my rambling. This looks like the same thing that we had on yesterday. I didn't even post that on YouTube, but that's like the same. Look at it, same movement up, and then I bet we get like, here's our build up area, right? And then we gotta build up below, and then if it's our breakout on either way, then it's off to the races from there. So that's kind of like the range we're playing right now. But you can see here, look at this. See, if we can break through that, then maybe it wouldn't be. But we'll probably go down if we break through. But otherwise, we'll probably go back up or start retesting onto 4 hour and daily, which I could see, because these people that have to wait for market open are gonna have to push price back to like where they want to enter at. All the stock traders, they hate seeing prices like where they don't like, you know what I'm saying? I don't even know why we always be waiting until 6:30 to trade anyways. I mean, here's the thing, is that like, I know that US30 is driven by stock prices. So if it's all driven by like stock price, I get why people have to wait until 6:30 to place trades. And but bro, for people that are trading like US30, bro, if you're waiting till like 6:30 for opportunities, bro, you're missing out. I used to do that same thing. I'll wait till 6:30 because price started moving like volatile, and I was like, I thought that was a good thing. I'm like, I don't want to go into a trade unless price is gonna start moving crazy. You know what I'm saying? I want to catch a crazy move, all stuff like that. I'm not gonna be able to push to my TP unless I get a crazy move. No, you just gotta look for the right moves. Like, half the time, like, price don't even be moving right at market open anyway. It'll just move sideways, and that move from like 5 to 6 is like the best, So, anyways, don't miss out. Don't miss out. Don't be that guy. Get FOMO. Have FOMO. Jump into the US30 before pre-market. It's not as crazy sometimes. I mean, around like 5:30, it gets kind of wild sometimes. Not today though. Doesn't look like. I'm actually kind of glad I wasn't here for this 5:30 move, because I would have taken. I probably would have taken this right here, and I would have got stopped out. Or I would have taken this right here, and I would have got stopped out. It actually would have been even lower. Hey. Anyways. Oh, my neck. Man. You might as well just go ahead and close over the daily. Oh, excuse me. No? Grant. So crazy. So crazy. So crazy. Yeah. Crazy. It's totally lit. It's totally lit that. There's a whole lot of nothing in this place. Whole lot of nothing in this place. There ain't nothing that you could say. 'Cause there's a whole lot of nothing in this place. A whole lot of nothing in this place. Oh my. There's a whole lot of nothing in this place. It's kind of like Wiki John Jones. Wiki. Wiki. Look, I'm just gonna point something out to you. I'm not gonna take this, cause I don't even want to do this for myself right now. But look, see what this did? Wick, and then a barely is close below, above, and then the next candle smack below, right? Watch how this candle closes right here. We'll see how it does. would have entered right there, right? And then you have this. Thank you, babe. And then boom. See what happens. Honestly, this might not have been like the best entry because look at this. This big wake towards the bottom. It's pretty much like a doji, but I mean, we'll see how price plays out. But like I said, I don't feel like being in, I don't even want to be in nothing right now. Yesterday I took way too many trades and I was like, oh, it's too much for me, right? It's too much for me, Sean Renfro. Delicious. Here's the thing. So I gotta write new rules for myself because this year I took too many trades. So the way I want to do it is like, oh jeez. The way I want to do is like this. So let's say I had, let's say I take one trade. If it's the first trade is W, don't trade, just analyze. Cause I'm not getting blasted like that again. I'm not getting put on blast like that ever again. If first trade is L, you can look to place another, and then second trade, regardless of what it is, don't trade after second trade. So 2 trades max. That's what I give myself. Round of applause for Sean. So that's what we're doing. I don't want to. I don't want to get. I don't even want to like trade this so much. So, cause I don't know. I like I take 50 points from the market, right? And why I would go back in to try and do it again wouldn't make sense. Hold on real quick. I'm just trying to see if I would have taken trades around this area. 50. This would have been maybe like a build up. I don't really know. Why would I have taken a trade here? I wouldn't have. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that trade. I don't know what I was thinking earlier. 5 o'clock. This is what we opened up on. Bunch of candles. Boom, boom, boom. Like, I could have entered on this trade right here, but I don't think I would have. I probably would have entered like this, like 2 wicks, boom, boom, and then a close below, and gotten stopped out. Yeah, but oops. Actually, yeah, because I would have got stopped out. But the thing is, I would have missed this opportunity down here, which was a buy setup. That would have taken 50 there, because I was in a trade moving down. So it would have came up, broke me out, would have got messed up, and then price would have came down. From there, I would have missed this because that would have went against me. Price would have came up, broke low, boom, boom, 2 taps, but then it went bullish. It's not my confirmation, so we had a break above, 2 candle rejection, boom, boom, but then it just continued to fall. So got no confirmations there. I might have looked to re-enter here on this candle because it broke out of a zone, and then it would have taken 50 points. So I mean, yeah, there was like a couple different entry opportunities that could have been like taken from. You can see here that we had like sort of the idea that that trade would have been placed on, but you see here it just ended up getting stopped. Like it went about 43 points against us. But I mean, the idea was right for this, something like this. The idea was right, but yeah, everything else was just off. But anyways, yeah, it's been a good little session. I think I'll put an end to this video, and then we'll be done with that. Anyways, hope y'all have a blessed day.